More parts of our state's economy reopens. I talked one-on-one today with Michigan's top doctor, Health and Human Services Chief Medical Executive Joneigh Khaldun, about what Michiganders can expect in the days and weeks ahead as we continue to fight COVID-19.
Appreciate your time.
Thank you for having me.
Dr. Joneigh Khaldun says there's cautious optimism with the number of new cases and deaths in Michigan from COVID-19, but we're not out of the woods yet.
I think wearing masks and social distancing will be a way of life in the state of Michigan and across the country, hopefully for those who are using best practices, probably well into the next calendar year.
Khaldun's been by Governor Whitmer's side during this crisis and says, though we're learning a lot about the virus, it's still not time to fully reopen.
I heard an analogy from someone the other day that said, when you jump out of an airplane with a parachute on, you don't say, oh, the parachute is slowing me down, let me take it off now, right? You still want to be cautious and be thoughtful and use science and data as you reopen the economy.
When can we hug our family members again?
Yes, so I also, can't wait to give my family members and my parents hugs again. Unfortunately, the risk is not zero right now, and so we still are recommending this important social distancing. There's no vaccine, there's no antiviral. I'm not saying no one's going to be able to hug their family members for another year, but we want to make sure there's more immunity in the community and that there's a treatment and it's not as widespread as it currently is.
Now, I also asked Dr. Khaldun about criticism that the data being provided by the state is not trustworthy or reliable and that COVID-19 is being added as a cost to non-COVID deaths. We'll have the entire interview so you can find those answers on WXYZ.com.